Alright, good morning. It's March 6, and out of curiosity, I just want to check my weight again. So let's check and ulit pangalan mo kuya.
Erwin, sir.
So Nurse Erwin will assist me again to see my weight. I haven't really hit the gym yet. Because ito ko na sa likod ko para ano. Kita mo ba?
Sir.
Kita yung weight. So Nurse Erwin, ano yan? So you can see, it's 160 pounds. There. Ito ba? Tama ba? Ito ba? Yep. Masisilaw lang sa yan. Okay. Yesterday it was 162. 162. Okay. Yan. So kita niya, walang daya yan ha. Alright?
Ayos.
So again, we'll see you siguro after 2 days na lang. Masyado namang attack pag another day. Thanks, Nurse Erwin.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes.